Hey eBay sellers, it's Suzanne A. Wells, and I have another answer to a burning eBay question. This question is from Paula, and she said, I saw your video this morning and realized I had a large mixing bowl blue peacock pattern. At polishpottery.com, their new bowls like this go for $129. I went to replacements.com and found my exact one. They had one and it was $64.95. So would I list this at $129 based on the Polish pottery price or the $65 price on replacements.com? So she's talking about this video I did on Polish pottery that is a good seller. So you have to look at this from the big picture standpoint. A lot of people don't even know about replacements.com. So they may just go on eBay and try to find what they want. eBay also accepts best offers, whereas those other two sites don't. And some people go straight to eBay for whatever they want. They always start there, and you're going to have a bigger audience. So if it were me, I would price it at $99 plus calculated shipping and best offer and see what happens. And give it a few months to see if you get any offers and what the amounts are, because you can let buyers indicate how much they will pay by submitting offers. You're letting the buyers tell you what they think it's worth, which really an item is only worth what someone will pay for it. So, I would come in between the two different prices. She said one site was $129 and one was around $65. I would come in the middle or even higher. You can always come down on your price, but just put it out there, throw it out there and see what happens and see what you get, and let the buyers tell you what they think it's worth. And some of this is about what your business model is. Are you okay to hold on to things for a while, or do you want to turn them over faster and keep reinvesting the money into your business? I know people who go to estate sale cleanouts, like it's the end of the estate sale and they're buying all the leftover stuff, and they want everything gone in a week, and they just price it to sell on eBay and they go back and do it again. Part of that is because if they held on to everything until they got top dollar, they would have so much stuff, it would just be way too overwhelming. So that's one reason that people turn things over faster is they don't want to let it hang around forever, because we all know how inventory creep works. The longer you do this business, if you're not turning it over at a pretty good clip, then it accumulates very fast, and you may not want to pay for a storage unit to put all your stuff in. You don't want your home cluttered up with everything. Or you could be the opposite. It doesn't bother you at all, and you want to wait and hold on until you get top dollar. So eBay pricing is not an exact science. You have to figure out where you're comfortable. And one thing you don't want to do is second guess yourself when you sell something. Oh, I could have priced it higher. I could have got more for that. Well, so what? You sold it. And there's plenty more where that came from. And the stream of product available to us as eBay sellers is not going to stop anytime soon. I'm getting more and more on that mindset myself, because okay, yeah, maybe I could have gotten 70 for it, but I got a $45 offer. I paid $6 for it. I'm going to take that, because how long is it going to be before somebody else comes along and makes an offer? And there's plenty more where that came from. So there's no right or wrong way to price your item. I guarantee you people have bought things from me that I was ready to get rid of, and they're selling them either on eBay or somewhere else. And I really don't care. As long as I'm making money, I'm happy. And I know that I can get more inventory, they just keep building more and more Goodwills where I live, and I don't have to go very far to get as much inventory as I want. And there are many, many eBay sellers in that same situation. So, sorry to ramble on, but the bottom line is you do what's comfortable for you. How fast do you want to turn it over? Or how long do you want to hang on to it to try to get top dollar? And sometimes you just have to throw the spaghetti against the wall and see if it sticks, and pick a price and go with it. So don't beat yourself up about, I priced it too low. And remember, people set up alerts on eBay, saved searches. So when something matching those keywords is listed, they're notified and they may buy it immediately at full price because they've been looking for it. They've been waiting for it. It doesn't mean you priced it too low. It means it's now available to them and they want it. So that's the perspective you need to take when something sells really quickly is, oh, somebody was waiting for this and I provided it for them and they bought it right away. Isn't that wonderful? Not, oh no, I must have priced it too low because it sold so fast. No, no, no. Don't think about it like that. You're providing products for people who want them and they are waiting. So get those items listed so they can sell. Okay, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. I will be returning to my other themed videos such as BOLO items, $100 items, sales update videos. All of those are coming. Just wanted to get this playlist off and running with some common questions and see how you all like these videos. Please comment below, and if you have any burning eBay questions, put them in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy selling. Bye.